Hello everyone, so we are back again with our daily trivia series, new questions every day. Daily trivia number 9 by Jigyasa Quiz Club. Yesterday we asked this question which was talking about the Dalit writer Chandrabhan Prasad, who has proposed the idea of celebrating Dash as a goddess, and we were asking you that what goddess are we talking about and which book is she holding. This was the image, and the answer is Goddess English and Constitution of India. Now, today's question: he came from a wealthy family from Essex, a prodigy. He completed his matriculation at the age of 12. He was quickly entrusted with important missions. The first of these took him to Americas but was a complete failure. He then went east with much more success. Who? What was he doing in the Americas? So basically this question talks about a particular person who comes from a wealthy family of Essex. Essex is in the British Isles, and he was a prodigy, okay, and he was quickly interested with important missions. The first missions which he took him to Americas, but that particular mission was a very big failure. But then he went east with much more success. So basically we are asking about this person, that who is this person and what was he doing in the Americas. Let me give you a hint that this person has a very big Indian connection. Think about a Britisher who came into India between 17th and 18th century, and what was he doing in Americas has a very simple answer, because whatever thing he was trying to do in Americas is a very popular mission which has been undertaken by several countries at different time. And if you know about that particular trend, you can answer this question very easily. This is the image of that person. Now if you know his face, you can identify the answer, else you need to look into the hints or the words that have been associated with the person. Thank you. Next question and answer number 9 shall be updated tomorrow, and you need to answer in the link provided in the description box that I have pasted, and also I have pasted in the comment section. Thank you.